Alright guys, we just arrived here at Auto Complex for the Harry's Car Club car meet today. And yun, I would like to make a big shout out to Miss Natsumi of Harry's and to all the members. Alright guys, mag-i-intro na ako. Ngayon pala ako mag-i-intro. With All About Cars and of course Become Legendary here at the Hatis event. And kita nyo naman, sobrang kamatch talaga nitong Huracan tong Civic na to.
Ang kapal ng mukha.
Kasi na-vlog to ni Joms TV. Na-vlog natin to guys. To. Sobrang one of one. Okay, we're here at the Auto Complex for the Hatis Club car meet. Shoutout sa Hatis Club. Maraming salamat na invite nyo kami for your event to cover this event. Of course, together with my best buddies, All About Cars, and of course, Become Legendary, si Boss Ray and si Boss Darwin.
Isa lang ang nag-i-intro na ayaw itapat sa mukha niya.
Ayan na. Na-pressure tuloy ako. Alright guys, Joms TV Media, Become Legendary, and of course All About Cars, and Catherine Go with the lovely Miss Natsumi of Harry's Car Club PH. Alright ma'am, first of all, we would like to thank you for having us. All the media, thank you very much for having us. We had such a great time. Thank you for the food. Okay, ano ang nangyari dito? What's the event all about?
We hosted an exclusive all-female car meet today, of course for Hotties and for our aspiring members, and it's a collaboration with Hotties and the Auto Complex. So we planned this around last year, and we're so happy that today it's happening.
Yeah, true. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Any plans for the next?
For the next, I wouldn't want to share it, but there's a lot
Yep.
of things ahead for Hotties, and we have a lot of offers, sponsorship, and activities. So yeah, maybe this would be like one of the best years of Hotties.
Congratulations. All right, with Miss Natsumi of Harry's Girl Club PH. Thank you very much.
Facebook ma'am, Facebook is...
All right, Joms TV Media. I'm with Miss Mabel and Miss Azzy, together with All About Cars and of course Become Legendary here at Auto Complex exclusive meet of Harry's. Grabe, solid. Ma'am, first of all, we would like to thank you for having us, all the medias, for inviting us to this event. This is an event of...
Yes, this is an event of Hotties exclusive for members, aspirants, and of course our partner medias. So, ginawa namin tong event na to para maging mas close yung isa't isa. And also, most of our aspirants and members are also business owners, beauty queens, and entrepreneurs. So we want everyone to have like a space for them, like a safe space for them.
Great.
An admin.
So I'm also an admin of mine. So lately kasi we pursue the articles like safe space for each and everyone. So we don't want anyone na makaroon ng hierarchy. That's why we are one of the 6 admins. No more president, no more vice president. We're equality purpose at walang masusunod na mas mataas. We same voice, same para sa decision, equal, and para sa lahat, sa mga.
Right?
So, yun. So that's why you will meet the saying na academies na lang. Wala nang, ito yung president namin, ito yung vice president. So, puro admin lang sa Happy Days.
Alright. So where can they follow you?
You can follow us on Facebook, Hotties Car Club Philippines, on Instagram, the hottest.ph,
And TikTok also.
the hottest on
Alright.
TikTok.
Okay. Ma'am, thank you very much. Miss Mabel, Miss Azzy, thank you very much. With Become Legendary and All About Cars here at Auto Complex, Miss Hatch Libis. Thank you very much, ma'am. Have a great evening.
Maliit pa rin.
Ma'am, congratulations for being the Miss
Congenial.
Alright. So, congratulations, ma'am.
Hatis, no? Hindi ko na-expect.
Guys, tingnan niyo ang
Nagulat
ganda
nga
ng car niyo.
Yeah.
Papay pa ako.
Sobrang friendly talaga ni ma'am. Kahit sa B2B nakita natin sa. Alright, ma'am. Anong plans for Hotties Group? Upcoming events.
Coming events, actually, wala pa nasasabi. No?
Okay.
But kasi, if ever na may plans naman, nagsasabi naman sila sa amin sa
Okay.
pero sobrang active.
Yeah.
I think once or twice a month.
Okay,
Kakaroon
may meet.
ng event.
Which is abangan nila saan?
Sa page ng Hotties, of course.
Tsaka, saan nila pwede ma-follow?
Nahiya ako. Sa Chichinda Please IG, cookies and cream.
Yun. Alright. Alright. Jumps TV Media with all the members of the media. Ang dami nyo. Basta ang dami nyo. With Miss Sachi. Thank you very much. Congratulations for this event here at Auto Complex. Galing pa ng ibang meet to mga to. Club Sport. Kamusta sa Club Sport? Dami.
Kontakin niyo lang.
Hey brother, kamusta ka? Good to see you again. Hindi ka na. Galing pa ng ano to.
Itong 3H sticker, no?
Yan ang Sony. Sony, baka naman. Labag nyo, dali. Parang mga natin sa Sony, oh. Sony.
Lapag Sony.
Ayan, oh. Sony, baka naman.
Sponsor us.
Thoughts of you in my mind. I wonder all the time. When will I see you again? I wanna run away to you. I wanna run away to you. One must wonder. I wonder, when will I return?
Okay, nandito na yung mga idol ko. Ayan, oh. Ito, Migo Visual, so long time no see. Guys, pag malakas, pag ito lang ang pwede mag-sticker yung mga ganyan. Pero pag hindi, yan o, yan, tulad nan. Meron pa isa. Ito, meron din. All About Cars, meron din to eh.
In the house.
Salamat. Salamat. Only legends have eh, no?
Too far. Memories of you. The way you take me away. Touches through and through. I try to hide, struggle to keep inside. You must be tired, 'cause you're racing in my mind. When will I return? When will I return? When will I return? When will I return?
Okay, shoutout lang ako, Mix Media.
Hello.
Good to see you again. Hi sir, what's your media sir?
Jero sa media.
Ayun. Ano media mo? Hindi, ito sikat. Lance Castro, photography. Saka si Sir, media sir.
Lenscraft.
Lenscraft. Collective? Yun. So check it out. Facebook, Instagram, lahat. Okay. Ito, lahat na rin to. Lahat ng media. Lahat ng platform. Okay, dun sa mga curious about dun sa Asia Fit, ayan yun. Yung products nila. Available sila with coffee, premium coffee mix, juice, cucumber, lemon, and mixed berries. So check it out. Meron din pala silang glutathione. Okay, so check it out if you want to go healthy. And also, they do, if you want to have your own brand, they also do manufacturing. And their company is APPC. Yeah. Right? Create your own brand. Okay guys, check it out. Kung gusto niyo maging healthy, check out.
Living in Guadini.
Ayan.
Meron po kami TikTok shop. Yan po. Hanapin nyo lang po ang LT o Asia Fit and Cassie Snow po.
Kung ano. Guys, ang sarap nito. Mixed berries to, ma'am, di ba?
Yes. Sweetener dyan sa is stevia po siya. Kaya safe siya. If may problem ka sa
Feeling ko fit na ako eh. Nag-fit na ako agad eh.
Asia Fit araw-araw.
Asia Fit araw-araw. O yan ha.
Thank you po.
Asia Fit araw-araw. Ayan. Parang nag-fit na yung damit ko guys. Solid. Ayan.
Sobrang bilis ng effect.
Yun pala, only here at Hattie's Secret Meat. Here at Auto Complex, Bagong Bayan, Quezon City. With All About Cars and of course Asia Fit. Check out nyo yung products nila. Yan, may Primo, Premium Coffee, Cassie Snow. Yan, lahat sa. Alright. Salamat, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, thank you. Alright guys. Ayun. Thank you. 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 Oh. Hotties number 1. Uy! You know. Guys, lahat ng mga media na nawala lahat, nandito, ayan. Oh, Miko Visual. Andito, all about cars. Kompleto. Lance Casio, nandito. Ayan, oh. Okay, Joms TV Media. Tanong natin itong mga medias na to. Na-invited dito. Kamusta yung meet?
Very good! Masaya! Masarap yung pagkain!
Thank you sa pagkain. Masarap yung
Pizza,
pagkain.
chicken!
Solid na, solid.
Pizza!
Okay.
Dapat ganda lagi.
Yan.
Masarap yung mga mata nila.
Oh guys, check it out here at the Harris event. RX Performance. Tama ma'am, no? I'm with Miss Janine.
Hello po.
Alright, check out nyo yung store nila. It's located where?
185 Tandang Sora Avenue.
Pwede bang go to garahe?
Pwede.
Go to garahe?
Woo!
May segment po kasi kami na nagpa-podcast ng garahe.
Yan ma'am, kasama namin si Become Legendary.
Feature kami ng mga shops.
Mga shops. So we featured the car and we also featured the shop naman.
Thank you.
Alright guys, check it out. RX Performance. Specializing in European cars. Alright.
Every car naman, sir. Pero,
Every car, pero mostly European cars. Alright. Thank you ma'am.
thank you po.
Oh, all about cars. Ano masasabi mo sa mga kotse? Ma'am, thank you, thank you.
Yung mga simpleng bridge.
Ay, saan kayo? Sa kayo lipat. Sa kayo lipat.
Di na yung pupunta sa club sports.
Sa kayo lipat. Pauwi na. Okay. Okay, ingat, ingat. Ano, tinan mo yung mags yan, oh. Ay, thank you, thank you.
Sayad kung sayad.
Static. Pogi nung... Wow!
Clear.
Wow!
Tigilin niya si Lance.
Linis. Yan ang tunog.
Pogi ng
Guys, teka lang. May karera ata. Damn! Guys, babae driver nun ah. Ano masasabi mo? Yun oh. Brother, ingat ha. Ingat. Guys, gusto niyo malaman storya nito? Check out Joms TV Media YouTube channel. Ito, isa sa mga kotse na feature natin, of course, the All About Cars. Isa po ito sa pinaka-hatis. Ayan, no? Hatis na hatis. Guys, narinig nyo? Uy! And that's how we roll here in the Philippines. Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Ingat ka, ma'am, ha? Arigato. Bye, ma'am. Ingat. Ingat po. Thank you. Ay, yun na po. Bye-bye po. Ingat. Ingat. Kita tayo ulit.
This is Darwin from All About Cars signing off here at the Happy's event. Another day, another event, another vlog. And of course, we are here.
Yung outro ko, outro na rin nila. Yung outro ko, outro nila.
We never get tired. And of course, become legendary. Maraming salamat po.
Happy sa event. Yun, no? Natapos lang, medyo ginabi na kami. And still, we are with John, Steven Inga.
We've become legendary and all about cars.
Alright guys.